All right, so anyway, I got one of these DJI Mini 2 drones for a Christmas present. And, you know, you don't really want to take this to the beach, you know, like that. So I bought this on Amazon. It cost 39 bucks. And basically, it's a waterproof case by this company, Lekufee, Lekufee, I guess. I don't know. And the way you do it, you just come to the front here, and it just pops like that. And here is your drone case to stick everything in there. It's pretty simple. It shows you where to stick stuff. You know, basically, you could follow this diagram if you wanted to. I'll put it over there. But here we go. So I'm thinking that because these stick out, there's two little areas there, so I would just set that in there. You want to make sure that these are not smushed. And here's your controller, right? And the controller, I guess, just slips in like that. And then you've got these little holes here for batteries. I don't have any battery. I've just got one battery in here. But these are extra toggle screws, so I'll just shove them down there. And then I've got these extra propeller blades. And they're in this bigger package, so you got to kind of like smush them down and then bend it over. And then I think I can shove it in there like that. And then it'll kind of fit. And basically that's it. I don't have the extra batteries. I didn't buy them. But I probably, you know, if I start to use this and figure it all out, because I've got to learn, you know, there's a learning curve. I don't need these because I've got iPhones. These are for Android, so I'll just leave them there. And then basically all you got to do is just shut her down, lock it up, and Bob is your uncle. And that's your basic case for your DJI Mini 2 drone. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this case. Peace out.